Okay, student, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Then is a topic the class 9 subject biology chapter number 1 and lecture number 7. And today we will discuss about our next topic, and that is Muslim scientists and their contribution. Yani Muslim scientists जब मुझे रकम कम दावी contribution पे science की दावी हिस्सा दावी किरदार पे science की so first we discuss to the first scientist Jabir bin Hayyan. Jabir bin Hayyan जब मुझे first scientist Muslim scientist to 721 to 815 AD यानी 721 their date of birth थी कम डेट चीज़े पैदाइश हो और 815 their date of death थी यानी कम डेट चीज़े वफात से हो. So he was born in 721 AD in Iran. पर 721 AD की पर ईरान की दे पैदाइश हो and practiced medicine in Iraq और पर इराक के भाई the medicine practiced को. Known as father of chemistry, the father of chemistry whom we also wrote a number of books on plant and animals. पर plants और पर animal बंद दजी कम दे डेढ़ छः किताबों ने लिखी so important पर कि कम वो अल्लावातात about plants अल्लावातात यो book name इदाऊ चे अगवो about plants the plant मुतालिक वाई के नाले जूने दागे life cycle दागे habitat दे मुतालिक चे कम दे पाए कि dedical करियो al-haywan about animal the animal बारा की the animal anatomy or the which come physiology or the बारा के फदी book की दे कम दे लिखकर करियो al-haywan. There are the two important books. He was also an astronomer, pharmacist, physician, philosopher and engineer. He was also an astronomer. Astronomer मुंगा से तो वायु इल्मी पलकियात से मुझे तो वायु कम stars knowledge चिकम दे यानी दो स्तूर मुतालिक चिकम इल्म दे अगर तो मुंगा से वायु astronomer. यो astronomer, pharmacist चिकम medicine तैयारी, physician चिकम doctors भी मुझे philosopher कम ची philosophy लिखी and engineer और दास मुझे astronomer, pharmacist, physician, philosopher और engineer होंगे. Next scientist Abdul Malik Asami 714 to 828 AD. Abdul Malik Asami, he was born in 740 AD in Basra. The Basra की 740 AD की दे पैदाइश हो. Specialist in animal science, the pathology की यानी पर animal science की तो specialization करो. He wrote many books on plant and animals. पर animal of a plant बानी the many books लिखियो. Famous book तो जो कम मशहूर किताबों और कम Al-Ebil about camel. The camel मुंगा से तो वही पुख्तों की उहान जी कम भी. The आगे मुताबिक पता कि दे पता book के दे लिखल करियो. Al-Khil about horse, घोड़े. Al-Shah about sheep, बैल. Al-Wahush about wild animal. Wild animals कम जंगली जानवर चीज़ द आगे मुतालिक knowledge वो पदी book के. Halaqul Insan describe different parts in function of human body. पदी book की दो different parts ची कम the human being वो the इंसानान the different parts of the agri functions of the agri description. Next, third number scientist comes to Abu Ali Sina. He was born in Bukhara city in Iraq in 980 AD. That's the पैदाइश हुई पर Bukhara city in Iraq पर योहार की पर 980 AD की. Most valuable contribution was in the field of medicine. Most valuable contribution जो भी कमो आगा पर medicine field क्यों. Expert वो बस सकी पर mathematics, astronomy, physics and paleontology. Astronomy मंगा मख्यूम डिस्कस करा चे इल्मी फल्कियात चे मंगा वायु दस्तूर मुतालिक चिकम इल्म दे अगेद मंगा वायु astronomy. Physics और mathematics को बता स्पेस यानी paleontology मंगा से तवायु the study of fossils animals या the study of fossils plant चिकम दिकम fossils चिकम दिकम extent चिकम वर्षी the आगा plant study या आगा animal study the आगा organism study मंगा को paleontology की. दूसरी चिकम ने expert हो पदी fields की. Work on the structure, function and diseases of the eye. दुई कार करेउ and his book दुई book लिख करेउ पाई बाने कार करेउ पसके पर structure, function and diseases of the eye. The eye चिकम ने रिश्तर की structure, function और diseases दुई चिकम ने अगस्त study करियो. In his book Al-Qanun fil Tib was translated into many European language. दुई book लिख करियो Al-Qanun fil Tib. Next is the fourth number चिकम ने Abu Usman Umar Al-Jahiz. Next scientist, he was born in Basra city of Iraq in 776 AD. That's the पैदाइश Basra city of Iraq in 776 AD. famous book چې دا وی کوم الحيوان which describe his own observations on animals such as seasonal migration of fish and driver tigers, also describe life system of an ant. دوی چې کوم نه کار په سبا نکړي دوی یو بوکو الحيوان او دوی موستلی کار په سبا نکړو اون observation خپل سټډي کړي وا په انیملز باندې such as seasonal migration د fish چې کوم دی seasonal migration موږ څه کوي migration mean د یو ځای بل ځای ته تلل د فود په تلاش کې یا چې کوم دی سره کلایمیټ توجه نه خو ځان سټیبل کول ځان اډاپټ کول په یو ځای کې د یو ځای نه بل ځای ته تلل دي ته موږ migration نو migration چې کوم دی د fish and driver tigers river tigers چې کوم دی زموږ سره دریای دجله چې تم په اردو کې وایو د زموږ سره یو river دی یو دریا دی نو په هغه کې چې کوم د fish migration دی for example the fish migration the seasonal migration چې کوم دی یعنی د season د وجه چې کوم fish کوم migration کوي also describe life system of an ant the ant life system هم دوی describe کړی دی په باره کې هم دوی study کړی و next number Al-Farabi 870 to 950 AD 870 that's the date of birth and 950 that is date of death yani pe kam date pa ju vachu au 870 date of birth he was born in 870 AD he distributed in the field of Hakim and biology. So he was the renowned Hakim and biologist of the Islamic world. Renowned munga vayu sata yo maruf. Hakim and biologist of the Islamic world. That Islamic world chi kamne yo maruf Hakim au biologist. Wrote two books. Which kamne do books likhilu Kitabul Nabatat and Kitabul Haywanat. Kitabul Nabatat about plants and Kitabul Haywanat about animals. The next is Abdul Qasim Ali Zuhrawi 936 and 1004 AD. He was born in 936 AD. So the 936 की द्वी पैदाइश चिकम देगा शिवियो great Muslim surgeon the Muslim surgeon वो and he was famous for the removal of stone from urinary bladder और आज हमने famous वो मशहूर वो सिर्फ आ रहा the removal of stone यानी the काने लरी कवल the सना the urinary bladder ज़मून चिकम मसला urinary bladder दे कम मसाला शिदा the again the काने remove कवल stone चिकम ज़मून सर stone मंगवायु पत्थर the again remove कवल वो किधर did famous वो scientist चिकम ज़मून सर दी Ibn al-Haytham he was born in 965 AD. He was ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist means eye specialist या eye related diseases या दागे मुतालिक चिकम नारिज़ दावी सरवी. So he corrected the Greek concept of vision. Locating retina is the set of vision. He correct the Greek concept. Greek concept चिकम दे यानी दाऊ चिकम ख्यालो अगर ठीक करो. Greek से भी ज़मुसरा light चिकम दे दा पैदा की retina या light पैदा की ज़मुसरा eye. ठीक शो वो दो विच लाइट ज़मुसरा चिकम दे दा eye ने पैदा की बल्कि दे opposite eye था enter की दा light. So famous books चिदा हुई कमु किताबुल मनाजिर about eye and Mizanul Hikma deal with medicines. The medicines मुतालिक चिकम book वो अगर वो Mizanul Hikma और यो book दूसरी बालो किताबुल मनाजिर about eye the eye पर बारे की दागी diseases दागी structure दागी function चिकम दे अगर बकी दूसरी describe करूँ. Next number 8 number scientist चिकम दे Ali bin Isa. So he was well-known eye specialist. A well-known eye specialist who worked on the structure, function and diseases of the eye. और the कार पे सवाल निकले हो पर structure mean the eye structure, functions the eye car and diseases of the eye. और many diseases of eye द्विपाविवानी कार करे उस तरह के चिकमना. Describe 130 diseases of the eye in his book. 130 disease चिकमने the describe करियो पखपल book के. 9 number Ibn al-Nafis. He was a renowned biologist of 13th century AD. That's renowned, maruf scientist to the 13th century. He described the circulation of blood in human body. Or does it describe blood circulation? First time Ibn al-Nafis the scientist describe blood circulation. That's Muslim scientist or contributions. That is enough for today. Thank you.